Hey, do you know where we're going?
No,
You don't?
I don't.
All right, we are going to go over to the Roaring Fork, Motor Nature Trail. It's over by Gatlinburg. About an hour and a half from here, I think. All right, this is supposed to be it pretty soon here. Oh, look. Okay, that says the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail is 2.7 miles ahead. Here we go. All right, this begins the one-way journey. This is really pretty back in here. I am hoping we're gonna see a waterfall. I thought I saw water. Oh, here's a little bridge. Oh, yeah. There's a little creek in there. There's people living in the little creek. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, that was a little waterfall. I saw it. Did you see it? Oh, there's a little trail. Oh, there's another little bridge. Oh, look at this. Oh, right there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I will say that you have to really pay attention because there are things right next to the road. You got rocks and logs, and they are definitely going to keep you on the road. That's a little bit off. There's another spot right up there, but there's no parking. None.
There's been several homesteads along this creek, but I have no idea how those people made a living.
Yeah.
They would have had to hunt for all their food because the creek's not big enough for fish, and there's no place to grow anything.
Isn't there always fish in a creek?
No.
Oh. Well, we've seen a lot of places but this is pretty busy down here. There's been no parking at the places that I've seen that would have been interesting to stop. There's more water over there. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. We'll have to find someplace to stop. Look at this. And then there's a trail right there. Isn't that gorgeous? That's my kind of spot right there. We must have found a swimming hole. Oh look, this must have been an old mill. Yeah. See that? Well, that was more what I was expecting. I love the water. We love the water. Makes for the drive. Still having fun, just a giggling. There's a lot of these little bridges. Now this is making me happy. And then you get those beautiful views as you're crossing the bridge. Ooh. There's another one. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Goodness. What's a ways down there? There's a waterfall. We can park right here. Yes. Well, we got a little bit of waterfall in here. Look at. Starts way up there. Way up there. It goes all the way down. It's very pretty. Get it one more time. It's so pretty. That's what I needed. That totally made my day.
Cool. I'm glad.
It was so pretty. Finally, a waterfall. Actually, there was like all these different fingers of it.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Ding, ding, ding. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.